Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by forcing the camera closed and restarting the phone to clear transient glitches. Once done, make sure camera has permission to use the microphone and photos. Go to Settings, Privacy, Camera, and toggle it, because permission conflicts can prevent functionality. Next, check for a quick software update in Settings General Software Update. Install if available, since small bugs are often fixed by incremental updates. These actions eliminate most common app freeze and permission issues immediately. Now you tackle configuration and resources. First, free at least 1 GB of storage because low space can block camera writes. Offload to iCloud or remove big videos. Then reset camera-specific settings by toggling Preserve Settings options and turning off advanced features like Live Photo or Pro RAW, which can cause processing failures. Once adjusted, test with flight mode toggled and try each lens and mode: photo, video, portrait. If a specific lens or mode fails, you narrow the cause to hardware. To finish, back up your iPhone and perform a factory reset only if problems persist after prior steps, because restoring clears deep software corruption. Once restored, test the stock camera and a third-party camera app. If both fail, you likely have hardware trouble. If only the stock app fails after a restore, reinstall iOS via Finder or iTunes and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: if hardware is suspected, gritty focus, black frames, or lens jitter, stop DIY repairs and contact Apple support or an authorized service provider immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.